Hello everybody, it's William. Welcome to my channel. So you're watching a series video about MapKit development, and you are watching the episode 2. Yeah, so previously we already successfully, I think it's episode 3. I'm not sure, but previously we already successfully got our map up and running, and we got the customized marker at our map, which will be the London Bridge. And what about you like a multiple marker on your map? So for example, you want to know the say the distance between the London Bridge and the Heathrow Airport, something like that. Okay, so you want to know that distance between these two, and where are these two places on the map. What about you want to do that? So you are you're going to build multiple marker on your map. So let's just use the Google Map as a sort of a cross reference. So for example, if you like to get King's College London Waterloo campus, King's College London, I think that's pretty good. Let's Apple Convention Garden. Let's choose a random place. London School of Economic and Political Science. I think this is a good place. Okay, let me just click it. Click this random place, and yeah, we get all this information here. And what I'm going to do is to find the coordinates. So this is our previous coordinate, which will be London Bridge, and then this is our new places, which will be a university. And of course you can select any places on the map, but since we select these places, you can hover your mouse over it. Is another tip for you. You can hover over this marker and right click it, or if you're left-handed, it's left click, just a secondary click, and you can get the longitude as well as the latitude, and that's just really convenient. You click it, you already copy that to a clipboard. You can search this coordinate, so you can paste the coordinate here. You can get the exact same places, and of course you can use these coordinates in your Apple app. So let's go back to our map. So first let's just paste this coordinate here, and maybe paste the name as well. So where is my strangely I can't see here. Okay, so what about the name? London School for Economics and Political Science. Okay, let's just copy the name as well, and paste it here. So just use LSA for short. Okay, and okay, so I will use the same method to use the extension to store the longitude as well as the latitude information. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to copy and paste this bunch of code, and instead of using London Bridge, I'm going to use LSE. Paste it here, and of course I'm going to provide the latitude as well as longitude for that. So what I'm going to do is copy this info, a real bunch of info that is a mouthful, but hopefully it will work. Paste it here. Okay, and then if you want to reference this, you're going to add another marker. You already add the London Bridge marker here, So what I'm going to do is to copy this marker and paste this marker here, and I'm going to use the LSC for short. LSC. Of course, you can use the longer name. Okay, so I'm going to use this longer name to test whether it can show this really long name. Yeah, it's Apple's map. So I'm going to yeah, I think the name ends here because it's political science. Yeah, let me just paste it here, and we got the coordinates. I'm going to reference LSC for short. So yeah, here is where magic happens. You can get the London Bridge as well as the LSC's marker. And the amazing thing is Apple does all the adjustment for you. And as you guys can see, the zooming already adjusted. That can just cater in the need of space of these two markers. So it will not zoom too zoomed, and just seeing one marker will not get too zoomed out that two markers got meshed together. It will just give you enough like a sweet spot of distance and show these two markers clearly, but using the minimum zooming. Okay, so that's amazing. And so for example, you like to calculate distance, you can actually do that. If you want to write a navigation algorithm, navigation app, so for example the map app built upon that, you can do that, and you can use the power of navigation as well. Yeah, well, for example, you want to build another Uber, you can do that, or maybe some eating app that yeah, you show the nearest restaurant that can get you the best food possible. Okay, so yeah, you got the idea. And just for the fun of it, we're going to quickly add another location, and I'm going to move it to a really far away places, just to make it even more interesting. So for example, what about I don't know, maybe a really far away places. What about New York? What about New York? New York, okay. So New York, and we can quickly get the approximate location of New York, and let's get Brooklyn. Some places, I'm not sure. Just click on one place, random. For example, a Doc's Cake Shop. Okay, so I just choose a random shop and copy this longitude as well as the latitude. Okay, and I'm going to say this is a Doc's Cake Shop, so I'm going to use that name, and yeah, use the same method. So paste it here. That will be our location, and the name will be I think it's a Doc's Cake Shop. Okay, so we get the Doc's Cake Shop. Good. And yeah, let's add this static var to store the longitude as well as the latitude info. And yeah, for sure, let me use Doc's Cake Shop. Okay, so DCS, and we got longitude as well as latitude. Just to copy all the info here, copy and paste the latitude and the longitude. Okay, so yeah, we got it. And let's add another marker, copy that, paste it here, and let's use this a full name. Yeah, let's just paste it here, adding the coordinate. Coordinate we can just safely reference by using the DCS. Yeah, so let's save it, and yeah, as you guys can see, it's just adjust the zoom to something like this. And remember, because it's automatic adjustment, this previous London Bridge as well as the London School of Economic and Political Science will get pretty close, and we can't see the difference. So sort of overlap one another. You can't even see it clearly, which is okay because you can zoom it in. For example, you can just get here. This is America. Sorry. You can just get something like here, and you can zoom it in, and gradually you can see the difference, and you can distinguish between these two places. Okay, but in order to cater the need of every marker on your map, they will automatically zoom out to show the dog's cafe shop in New York, as well as the all these two markers in London. So yeah, you will get the problem of overlap, and when you develop app, you have to take this into consideration and solve the problem. Okay, especially got multiple markers on your map. So I look at a lot of that map, as well as the some software that incorporate the functionality of app, and I found the way of them of solving the problem is that they use a localized map. So for example, first you need to give the map engine a vague idea of where you want to navigate. Okay, so for example, you give the say Google Map the place of New York, and they will just give you the approximate places of New York, and then you can search the places in New York, because you got a lot of same name places on this planet. So maybe you search a certain cafe, and you got one search result in New York, the other search result say in India, and so you got multiple results, and that's not usually really helpful because it's confusing. And so they will just give you approximate city, and you search in that city, and it will give you approximately hopefully just one or two results, and it's much more convenient, less confusing. So when you use localized search as well as localized marker to solve the problem of overlapping as well as the multiple results. But that's another whole story. It's just my observation. I might be wrong, and if you know a better way of doing it, just feel welcome to leave in the comment section below. And and I think that's pretty much for this video. And don't forget, I really need your subscription right now. I'm trying to make a living, and this is my earning revenue. So thank you so much for your support, and I update a video every day. You won't be disappointed, and I will see you pretty soon. I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.